Hello everyone, it's Evelyn coming to you from Scrap Chicks with a kit. And what this kit will consist of, there's 4 sheets of pattern paper and 3 sheets of colored cardstock. It also has this beautiful piece of embellishments and tag, this sheet with words, this sheet of plain gray, a sheet of leaves. So now, and there's also a sheet of flowers, which I obviously did not bring. Oh, here it is, right here. A sheet of flowers. So what I did is I fussy cut all of these elements and the elements from here and used them in projects. The first one I made is a scrapbook layout, and what I did here is I left this opened, and you can just tuck your picture here underneath the ring and this netting. And then there's also 2 of these to put your pictures on. So that's one sheet. The other one is this card. And the instructions, this is the pleated section. So it shows in the instructions that you should pleat at 5/8 and etc., etc. And then I tied a ribbon around it. And the ribbon is included in your kit. There's ribbon, netting, greetings, everything is included in the kit. So that's one card. The other card is a 5x7, and again, I didn't list the pages that I used. There's so many different ones. Use at your discretion. All I did was I inked the edges, put a sentiment on, add my fussy cut elements. You could also pop dot those would look gorgeous. And with the tag, I just added this. You could put a small picture on here. I added, everyone who knows me knows I love Nouveau drops, so I added a couple. Add any embellishment if you choose from your stash. And again, the fussy cut. This card is a magnet card, and there's a magnet piece here and a magnet piece there. So that's the card. And then the last thing is this fun folio. It's a 1-sheet folio. So what you do is you take your 1 sheet, you cut it in half. You take your 2 pieces and you glue them together. See right here? I left it a little open so you could see. It's glued together. And then I cut these 2 panels, or this 1 panel, to make 2 sections. You could leave it blank, cut here and put a picture in there if you choose, or put little pictures here, also here. And then on this side there's the two pockets. The instruction shows like that these are glued together and it's used as a pocket. I just wanted to add something different. And then I decorated with netting and your elements. And that is it. That is your kit. So it comes with 4 sheets of patterned cardstock. It's beautiful, beautiful cardstock. 3 sheets of plain colored paper. The card bases are included, and a little bag of all the elements that you need to finish your project. Have fun!